What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Dopely, you know what it is, and I'm here to show y'all how I apply my false lashes. But we have a special review from her collection, Mink Lashes. She has some lashes that I will be trying on. I think I'm gonna try 2 different lashes on to see which one I want to wear for real for today. But really, I just want to show you how to apply lashes, because I really apply lashes with my hands. I'm going to show you how to apply lashes with my hands and also with tweezers. So, let's get started and get into this video. And if y'all like my lip, I'm going to show y'all what lip I got. So, wait a minute, hold on. So, right now, I am wearing the Milani in 19 Covet. 19 Covet, and I have 2 different lipsticks on, so I have 3 total. So I have the matte World in AA6. You can't see it because it's all messed up, and I'm also using the Snob in A54. So yeah, and this set is setting, and the other one is matte. So yeah, I'm using World and Snob. If y'all like this lip, I think it's kind of cute. Also, before we get into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And also hit that bell. I am trying to reach 1K subscribers. I'm almost there. Also, I want to show you guys the t-shirt that I just painted. I kind of did a twist to it. I'm going to first show you what it looked like. So, I'm going to put it up here, what it looked like. So, yeah, this is what it looked like at first. And this is what it looked like now. So I made it. It says I am art. First it said you are art, but I changed it. I put some eyebrows on her, some hair, different color shirt, necklace, some earrings, a nose ring, some lashes, and I gave her some lipstick, and I gave her some baby hair. So yeah, make sure you guys follow my art page. It is at Dopely Art, as DOPELEEART. So it's right here. Make sure you guys subscribe, and let's get straight into this video because I feel like I've been talking too long. I've been talking for like 2 minutes now. So first, I want to do the one with the tweezers. So we're going to apply our lashes. So let me show y'all the lashes first. So here goes the first pair. They're so cute. So I'm gonna put one lash of these on one of my eyes, and then I'm gonna use this one right here. I'm gonna put the other one on the lash. So let's start with these ones. So let's go ahead and get in formation. Let's go ahead and put this one on my left hand side, but right to y'all. So we're gonna use the tweezers. Okay, so we're gonna cut the ends off. Make sure I cut the ends off, so we don't need the ends. And then we're gonna measure my eye. I gotta cut off just a little bit. Now, let's apply the glue. I use hair glue, judge your mama. So I use the tip of the tweezers, and I apply the glue just a little bit lightly. Just grab it. I grab it from the edge like that. Blow it a little bit. Now let's apply. Yeah. You want to start with the corner, because that's the main important thing. If you don't get that corner down, you out of luck, sis. And then I pinch my lashes with these, I pinch my lashes with the lashes. So, and now all you gotta do is add a little bit of mascara and it look good. So we got this eye with the tweezers, and let's show you how to do the other eye with your hands because you got more control. We're gonna do the other lashes, which is these ones. These ones are my favorite. They flare out really cute. So we're gonna go ahead and put those ones on. I'm still gonna apply the glue with the tweezers. Okay, now gonna blow it. Then we're gonna place it right on the eye. Make sure it's all the way secured. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so basically I got them on. They actually both look the same. There's this one, spread it out more, and this one more fuller. Which one y'all like best that I should wear today? Comment down below which one y'all like best. Because this one right here I think is my favorite. This one that I got right here is number 33. And this one right here is 35. So yeah, that's how I apply my lashes. And all I gotta do is add a little mascara underneath, just to kind of make it look a little bit more faded in. But yeah, basically, yeah, this is what it is. I got 2 different lashes on. I'm still killing it. Like, I still look good. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you guys follow her and buy some lashes. Again, it's her collection mink lashes. I'm gonna leave it down below because her lashes is really cute. Yeah, I like these. So I'll see you guys later, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. And y'all see me in the next video. So peace.
How long can we be touching you? It's not enough to say I want you, 'cause I'll say anything. I'm rolling out to feel without a doubt. I've just been questioning.